Hi, Jason. Wagwan, Jason. Wagwan, Jason.
Big up, big up, big up.
Big up. And your first Mr. Jason. Wagwan, Adra. Ricardo. Wanna come on in?
Patricia, good evening.
Patricia, how are you, Queen?
Jason, Ricardo. Novelette.
From St. Martin. You're from St. Martin. Welcome. Is it your first time watching us? Jason, if so, welcome. How are you? Hi, Marie.
Hi, Marie.
How you doing, sis? How you doing? How you doing? Is it as hot in New York as it is out here? It's brutal. It's brutal out here in the ATL. It's supposed to be 101 degree next Wednesday.
Yeah.
Yeah, 101 degree, people. Yeah.
Big up, Miss Lothian.
Miss Lothian, how you doing, Queen? Why, Miss Lothian, me still there. A dream boy, yeah. Me think me develop an obsession. You put something in the cake and me think me develop an obsession. Right? Me never get too obsessed, you understand? But there's a little obsession right there. Yeah. Yes. Hi, Sharon Grant, how you doing? Yes. Nation now, big up yourself. Big up on yourself now.
Andreen.
Yes, big up on yourself, kings and queens. Yes, we know, say, whenever they come out Sunday night, or Sunday?
Sunday.
Yes, Sunday night. Guys,
and we didn't come last night.
Yeah, just too much. Too much going on. On a know, say, COVID kind of not keep, you know. And I like when COVID did a keep, and we trap in our house, you understand? Yeah. COVID now too keep. You understand? So all the things that we did shut down, you know, during the pandemic I never get for do. We do them now. You understand? So don't, you know what I mean? Not be too hard upon we. We did lockdown for how long? You understand?
For a long time,
for a long time.
Yes.
So they open up the prison gate and we kind of like don't know what to do with ourselves. We all over
We're set free.
Yes. We bust out. You
yes,
understand?
yes.
We bust out.
We're breakaway.
So, yeah, what at upper top?
I don't know.
Yeah, because I can't see if it, oh, there we go. There we go. Yes. Kind of was. But, I don't know what we come under. Is either we come and I talk about some serious topic. You understand? Or we come to make you laugh. Or we come to have some fun. Tonight, we come to have some fun. Yeah? Tonight we come to have some fun with you guys, and we are gonna give you some credits because when they come out Sunday night. So I don't know, we love to do that. We love to treat our supporters with love.
Absolutely.
As much as they treat us with love.
Absolutely.
Yes, but you know, so when I give away credit, just source us.
No man, you have to work for it.
You know, sir, you have to put in some work for it. And we also have 2 tickets. Tonight is the last offer for 2 tickets to the award show. We have 2 free tickets given away tonight. Tonight is the last time we're going to make the offer.
Yep.
So if you don't yet have your tickets to the award show and you want to come to the award show, it's your time to call me. We're taking the first 2 callers that call us tonight. That's how simple that part. It credit not gonna be so easy. It credit not so easy, but for the award, if you want to be at that award, we have 2 free tickets. Tonight is the final night we're making that offer. Yes, and guys, after you see us on Sunday, just gonna put it out there from tonight. After you see us on Sunday, you won't see us again until we're in Canada, because we're gonna leave here and we're going somewhere else, then on to Canada. All right. So, yes, but me I got kill on with it at Canada. No worry on yourself. Whomever not gonna be there in person, we're gonna try to make sure you don't miss anything. All right. Last night we did a test with one of our admin, just to make sure everything's good, because we want you guys to be able to see as much as you can. That's what we're here to do. Make sure whomever is not in the United States, and can travel over to Canada. You understand? Because I understand that there are people that don't have a visa and still want to feel like they're a part of it. And we're here for those people. Yes, we are. We are.
Yeah, gotta make sure we bring it, man.
Yes. It's not going to be all about us. We're going to show everybody everything. Yes.
And I hide nothing.
Yes. We're not into ourselves like that. You understand? Yes. We love it. Make sure everybody feel a part of something good, something awesome, something great. Yes. So, like I said, let me repeat just in case you're just joining us tonight. We have 2 tickets to the award show. The first 2 callers to call us tonight and said, can I get a ticket? No problem.
They're yours.
They're yours. All right? Otherwise, as of tonight, we're not going to make that offer anymore. We're just going to find another way of giving it to some students who would like to be at the award. All right? But I want to offer it to people that support us and people on our platform first before we extend it outside of our platform.
Correct.
You understand?
Yes.
So we want to give Una the first opportunity. Yeah? But we also have some credits I give away tonight. And here how it's gonna work.
Before you get into that, don't forget the meet and greet. If you want to come see us and hang out with us on Sunday, please call us.
Yes, please call us. We'll add
It will
you to
be
the
catered.
list. As of tonight, the same thing apply. Tonight is the last offer for the meet and greet. You didn't make the list. I'm not gonna add you to the list after tonight. All right, because we need to make sure we get everything organized and finished with, right?
Correct.
Yes, because we have a lot of things to do. Yeah.
Yes.
All right. So the credits. This is how it's gonna work. It'll take you to pay attention. All right. We have some fun with you guys tonight. We're playing a game with you guys tonight, right? Screenshot if you have to. All right. We want to know if this is a Scrabble. You're gonna unscramble some letters. When you think you get the answer, call us. You call us with the correct answer, we give you some credits. That's how it's gonna work. So you gotta be a person who's good with unscrambling letters, putting them together the correct way. Call us with the phrase. It is called the phrase that pays tonight. That's what's up. It's called the phrase that pays tonight. So you are gonna have to give us the correct phrase. The letters are all jumbled. So you are gonna have to organize them. Call me when you think you have the correct order, the correct phrase. All right? That's what we are doing tonight. The number is pinned in the comment. Yes, WhatsApp call only. And you have to get it right. All right? Me know me nice sometime I will make you slip, but tonight you have to be on point with your answer. It's called the phrase that pays. Yes. So I did like me like a cuss out for Planka Boss. Me know me fool some on a door. Me fool some on a can't tell me nothing. Yeah.
Of course.
Me fool on a. Hello, Luciana. How you doing?
Luciana.
How you doing? Trinkirk, how you doing? June. Angela. Big up on herself.
Laurel.
Good night, Laurel Guy. Gibson. If you're first time watching us, welcome. And we appreciate having you over here. Over here, it's all love. Yes?
We missed a call.
We missed a call. Call us back, please. If you were trying to call us, let me see the missed call. I'll call it back. Just in case it was for the ticket. What happened? It's calling. Why? Hello, this is Chocolate and Vanilla. Did you just try to call us?
No, Because this one phone I have, I make sure I just put it on call. So when I see this scramble.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Yeah, get your ducks them in a row. All right. Me not blame you. Okay.
All right.
Now be ready. So when it.
All right. Good luck.
Good luck.
All right.
Somebody else calling. Hello? Hello, good night. Hello? I'm not hearing you. Hello? All right. So,
Hello?
hello? Hello?
I'm calling about the ticket for the award show.
You're calling about the tickets for the award show. All right. You got it. Who am I speaking to?
Martha Blake.
Marva Blake. All right, Marva. Let me take your number down so I can reach back out to you after the show and tell you how to claim them, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Marva, go ahead and just text us your number because we lost it. A call's coming in.
Okay.
All right. Hello, good night. Hello, good night. Hello. You gotta turn us down in the background.
Please.
Hello.
Hello, good night. Hello. Oh, sorry, good night.
Good night. You gotta
Good
turn
night.
us off.
We can hear ourselves.
All right. Who am I speaking to?
Sandra.
Sandra, and you're calling for?
No, because I'm trying to call on the next number. That's why I didn't know that it was true.
Oh, okay. All right, Sandra. You just want to hear us. All right, Sandra. Hello. Hello. Good night.
Hello,
Hello.
good night.
Who am I speaking to?
Just speaking to you, but I'm from Toronto, Canada. But
It-
I don't want to because I want to go in.
Oh, you
I
work.
have to work.
Oh, you gotta work. Okay.
Yeah. So I was trying to see if I can get this time off, but I don't know if I can get the time off.
You know what? I'm gonna make your mom come to the award show. No problem. All right?
I don't have a mom. I'm a
She wants.
Oh, you
she
want it for
wants
what?
For herself. She wanted the ticket for herself, but she has to work.
Oh.
She was
No,
trying to
no,
get.
I would love to get a ticket, but because I have to work, I won't be able to.
Okay.
I would have called them and say hi, love you guys.
Oh,
Oh,
thank
can she
you.
come Sunday?
I thought you were just you were saying that your mom would like to come. I didn't hear you correctly. Okay, but that's so sweet. Wanting to call us even though you're not gonna be there. How about do you want to come to our meet and greet on Sunday?
Okay. So how do I go about that?
All right, I would have to tell you off after I get off the live where the event's gonna be, okay? Because I don't want to put it out there.
Okay, that sounds lovely.
All right,
And you guys stay safe. God bless you for doing what you're doing.
all right.
So,
Thank you
Thank you
so
very
much,
much,
Queen. We
Queen.
appreciate you. Thank you.
Text us your name and your phone, sir. Text us your name. Sorry, I'm taking your credit.
okay, I will do that.
All right, we'll reach out to you after the show, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, thank you, Queen.
All right, guys. Then I'm gonna just sit down there while we have to call them, call you. Una ready? Una ready for unscramble some words? All right, let's do it. Let's do it, Vanilla. You guys tell us if you can see the letters okay. We're gonna repeat them. That way we make sure you have them. The best way, I think, I would screenshot it. Just so you have it. I'm just giving you a hint. Because, you know, no one to win. Yeah, I like winners, you know? Yes, so, make we go on now. Pete. Oh God. What may I say? TT. What the hell may I say? JK. Walker Watson. Big up
Kevin.
yourself. Kevin. TT, big up yourself again. K Manners, how you doing? Queen Jackie
Hi,
Grouse, big up yourself. Big up yourself. Big up on yourself.
Sorry, I didn't pin the number.
Oh, the numbers.
Of course I have. Yeah.
Let's pin the number in there. Yes, because we want all of you to get a chance. Everybody who wants credit. All right, credits. Let's go.
Okay.
All right. You should see it now in the comment. That is the number to call once you figure out the phrase. It's called the phrase that pays. Wanna ready? Let's do it. All right, tell we if you can see the words them. Good. We need you guys to tell us. All right? And we have to use the back camera. Ooh.
It was good.
Yeah, it was good a minute ago. Pull back. No. Maybe we're going to have to do back camera to show.
There it is.
Oh, there it is. There it is. So repeat the letters in the top row, Vanilla. That way they can know.
O-R-N-S-E-N-V. That's the first word. Second word is D-E-K-W-R-A-O-B-N.
I'm not seeing it, Vanilla. I'm telling you, I'm not seeing it.
Oh, no, you're behind. Then the third word is G-O-N-L-I-D-A. The fourth word is O-F-R. The fifth word is X-T-N-E. And the last word is E-K-E-D-N-W-E. All right. There it is again. I have to kind of hold it at an angle.
You have to flip the card, Vanilla. That's what they're saying. You have to flip it.
Okay, they can't see it.
Right, they say you have to flip it.
Like this?
Show them that one. They say you gotta flip it. Show them that one. You gotta pull it back. I'm not seeing it. There you go. It still shows the same to me. I don't know what they're talking about. Flip it over. Let's see. Tell us when you guys can see them.
Can you see this one? Because we wrote it frontwards and backwards.
Yeah, just in case. You have to flip the card, Vanilla. Guys, we need
Can you
to
see it
tell
now?
Somebody calling. Hello, good night.
Good night. Is this Chocolate and Vanilla? I'm calling for the Canada Woman Show.
Oh, cool. Awesome. Who am I speaking to?
My name is Marva.
Marva.
Yes.
All right, Marva, and this is the number we can reach you back on.
Yes.
All right. I'm taking your number. I gotta decline a call that's coming in so I can see your number.
Okay.
All right. We'll reach out to you after the show and tell you how to claim those tickets. All right.
Oh, if I'm not asleep by then.
No, we will send you a text. Don't you worry. We won't give it away. Once we said we're gonna give it to someone, that's the person we're gonna give it to. All right. You're welcome.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Good night. It's all of the word. Are you to speak anyone?
No, it's all of it. It is a phrase. It's called the phrase that pays. So you have to unscramble those letters and put them in the correct way. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. What we must do, figure out. Yes, you got to figure out the phrase. It's called the phrase that pays. You figure it out, you call us, we give you some credits. It's called the phrase that pays. You guys can, who doesn't want the credit can help somebody. It doesn't matter.
You can give it to somebody else.
Yeah, you can give it to somebody else. It's the phrase that pays.
The first one to call and get it.
Okay, somebody said, put up back the card. They
Which
said to
one? The
put
first one or the second
first one or the second one? Tell us which one. Tell us which one of the card should we put back up. The first one or the second one? Sherman, okay. Oh, they're talking to each other. I don't know. Guys, tell us which one we should put up back. The first one or the second one where we write it upside down?
Or write the word backward.
We'll write the words backward. Which one? First one. They said the first one. All right. Somebody said first one. Call out the letters again. I'm not seeing it.
Okay, hold on. I have to be able to see it too.
There it is.
Okay, the first word is O-R-N-S-E-N-V. The second word is D-E-K-W-R-A-O-B-N. The third word, hold on, I can't see it. The third word is G-O-N-L-I-D-A. The fourth word is O-F-R. The fifth word is X-T-N-E. And the last word is, hold on, I lost it. E-K-E-D-N-W-E.
Me know the bright. Come on, man. Come on. Me know the bright. On the bright. Me know the bright. Yeah, me know if it live drop, on the day I try to figure it out. No worry yourself. Like we said, we're not business. Come on, man. Me know the bright. Yes. Come in with it. Come in with it. Come. Them can't say the word. Me can't say the word. All right. Tell you what I do.
Okay, hold on. Let me put it in the comments.
We're going to put it in the comment. We're going to put it in the comment. So, you can see it. Right? Because on the board, in the light, I make it, you can't see it through the camera. So, we'll put it in the comment. Alright. Me know no bright. Come on. You don't let me down because I tell Vanilla say, you no bad like a yas. Vanilla say, you no can't get it. And me tell Vanilla say, you no can't get it. My people, them brilliant. Them are going to figure this out like, nah, come in at this. Hurry up. Show them what they're working with. Well, you're putting, we're trying to get it so you can get the words. I mean, here, we want to try anything to make sure you don't get them. Bear with me. We'll try. Yeah? Something different, it's going to have its glitch. You understand? Till we can figure out a better way to do it. First time we have tried this. The phrase that pays. First time, it's been tried. So, it's not going to go perfect. But, hang in there. We'll get it. Yes. Hang in there. Yeah. Yes. Now, miss no letter, I know.
That's what I'm double checking.
We're double check, so no miss no letter. All right, we're about to click send. Me know some bright people here would play with Scrabble, you know. Yeah, you have some people who love his Scrabble game, you know. Them bad panny, you know. Me not ask. Yeah. All right, Vanilla, you have to move a little.
Sorry, I
All
had to
right.
double check to make sure I had it right.
All right, we send it up in the comments. We send it up in the comments. Screenshot that baby. Yes, we send it in the comments. Yes. You think you have it? Call me. Whenever
Let's see if you can get it.
Let's see if we can get it.
The phrase that pays.
The phrase that pays. And I have one in my mouth. Make me see. Let me make sure I have a phone here because I don't want nobody can talk about say. Yeah, I don't want nobody can talk about say. Them in the call I'm in the ear. Me have a phone right here, sir. Make sure look funny. What take on us along?
No, you have to call. You can't put it in the comments.
You have to call with the phrase. You gotta call with the phrase that pays. Good night, Winifred. How you doing? Good night.
Good evening, Winifred.
Yes.
Come
call
on.
with the
Come on.
Them are work it out. Them are work it out. Me know them are work it out. Them a work it out.
We know so we have some bright kings and queens. No
Yeah,
yeah,
man.
can get it.
Yeah, some of them know you already what they not call. And they not give you an answer. Yeah, me know. Me there watch your phone. No. Yes, people, so me I tell you say me the trick in walla una. When me do the little cook, when I no think say me did all cuss. But you ever cuss somebody and then after you done cuss somebody, you remember all kind of thing where you should have did say. Yeah, that did happen. After me did done, I will eat more things me should have did say. I mean remember for say.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me dey remember for say. Yeah. Me never remember for say. Yeah. Yes. Me wish me could have just go back and add some more sitting for the cussing cause enough things me don't remember for say. Yeah. Yeah. And me alone, una never cuss in a real, not play cuss. Real cuss. Una never cuss somebody and then after you think boy cussing,
After done.
after I done, there's certain things you wish you did say. Yeah?
So man, why me never say
Yeah,
that?
why me never did say that? Yes. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Me know me not the only one. If I'd Brown say yes, yeah, me know that me not the only one because a whole heap of things me forget for say. Yeah. And me forget some of our friends them to what me want put in there. You understand? But me can't, sure. Me have to wait till I don't forget about it. One long time.
I'll
then
call
come back.
fresh.
Yeah.
Fresh.
Yes. You know what I mean? Me want to put all that in there and call fresh and then have Mike come out and shower.
Haji!
Yeah, Mike come out.
Yeah.
in a towel and say, me hear yourself fresh.
Fresh.
You understand? Yes. And one time me don't know me a think about all this thing there. Me want to talk about Shelly ever clean. You understand? Me gonna say me want to say you're spiteful to get a friend named Shelly ever clean. You know what I mean? Because you know you have enough people when not clean. Yeah? When dirty.
Right.
So how you expect them to feel
Right.
when you're gonna pick one friend named Shelly ever clean? You see what I mean? Some people them think that they lost all hope. So what you do with what you say you're spiteful? You're gonna go get one friend named Opal. You know what I mean?
Right.
All the things you guys get what me I say. After me cuss her, me I think about all of them thing there, what me should have put in there. You know what I mean? Yeah. I saw it going in real life. When you cuss somebody and you go back and reflect, there are some things what you should have said and you didn't get to say. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Where you gonna get friend named Shelly ever clean for? And you know some of them dirty and stay dirty, so you do that on purpose. You know you do that on purpose. Out of all the Shelly them in that world, you'd have to go get one named Shelly ever clean. You see it. You see the role what she play. You see what I'm talking about? Yes. Yes. So are them things that what do people that with the
I
puzzle?
don't figure it out yet.
They don't figure. I want to know. I don't figure it out yet. Yeah. Hope. Some of them hope. Yeah, all hope is lost. There's no hope for them. You understand? All hope is lost. All hope. They just have got left the earth, sir. And you know, out of everybody, out there, you gonna get a friend named Opal. Ah, Jesus. No, you see what we are talking about? Yeah. See role what she play, people? Them things them you forgot to tell her. All right.
If you haven't, you have to call.
Hello, let me see who this a bright one here. Hello.
I chocolate and vanilla. Is it nervous?
Hold on there because
Hold
I want
on,
to hear the answer. Me want to hear the answer. Well, I make sure they hear. Yes, hold on. If phone a blow up. All right, go ahead.
Nervous breakdown. Loading for next weekend.
Yeah!
Nervous breakdown. Loading for next weekend. Absolutely. You got it, Queen. You got it. Make sure you text us your name and your telephone service. Yes.
Who is this?
Yes.
Who is speaking to?
Who are we speaking to?
You're speaking to Pat.
Pat. Oh, good job, Pat. Good
Good
job.
job, Pat. Congratulations.
Those one didn't get it. Yes, somebody got it, people. Nervous breakdown loading for next weekend. Yes, I first one that. First one. Excellent work. Big up your caller, man. Yes. What's her name? Pat. Pat, pick up yourself. Pick up yourself. I first one that. You not ready for the second one? Oh, not ready for the second. Let me hear some more answer. Hello, good night.
Excellent work. Come give up the caller, man. Yes.
Oh, now listen to me in the background. Tell them to turn me off. Me not like hear the voice, so I'm gone. Hello? Hello, good night.
Nervous breakdown for next weekend.
You're close. You left out one word. Somebody already got it. Nervous breakdown loading for next weekend. Yes.
Yeah,
you
nice
forgot
try,
that.
though.
Good try though. Good try.
We have more.
We have more. Coming for more. Yes. On ready for number 2. Let's go.
All right.
All right, them not have call. If she call again with me in the background, me I hang up. Hello?
Good. We say I was changed so hard. My granddad figure it out, you know?
Your granddaughter figured it out, but you call her with nice and with we in the background. But somebody did already get it. Somebody already got it.
Let me realize. Oh my.
Yeah, man.
Next one.
All right, going up on the live. You see next one. Coming up for the next one.
Okay.
And here we go. Next.
That's the one I'm going to do.
Which? Okay, go ahead.
Okay, I'm just telling you.
One.
All right.
Natalie, we're looking forward to it. Thank you.
All right, the letters for the first word are G, A, S, S, E, A, U. Second word is S, I. Third word is C, I, E, N. The fourth word is E, W, N, H. The fifth word is U, Y. Hold on. U, Y, O.
You confused them already. Type in a comment.
All right.
Yeah.
Let me type in
Just
a
type in a comment. We don't want vanilla confusion. I understand. We're going to type in a comment. Nervous breakdown loading. Them a texting the answer. Nervous breakdown loading for next weekend. Yes, them a texting the answer. But yeah, you gotta call. Alright? And I have to call when I get the answer. She type it in at the comment because we figure that's the best way to do it. Yeah? Alright? Until she type it in.
That.
Oh, you need this? Okay. She type it in. Screenshot it, figure it out and call her back. Yeah. So anybody that would like to be on the list, you can also call our guest list. Alright, after tonight, we're not taking any more guests onto the list. Hello, good night.
Good night.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Okay, you're calling for... Go ahead.
Sausage is nice when you cook it right.
Yes! Oh my God! She got it! Oh, we don't even need to put... You put it in the comment?
No.
Sausage is nice if you cook it right.
Right.
That is correct.
Who is this?
Who is this?
Oh, my name is Renee. Renee Mendes.
Renee Mendes. Renee, go ahead and text us your name and your phone service, all right?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Good night. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Very well, very well. I'm doing very well.
Okay. Are you calling for the puzzle?
Yeah.
Someone already got it, but I'm curious to hear what's your answer.
The first one?
Someone already got the first and the second.
But we want to know what your answer was for the second one.
Sausage is nice when you cook it right.
Yes,
All
you
right.
are absolutely right, but someone already got it. Okay, we have another one coming up.
Not a problem.
All right. Hello. Hello, good night. All right, they're calling the wrong number. I can hear another phone ringing over in the dining room. All right, they said type. All right, sausage is nice when you cook it right. Yeah, no, not right. Yes, it is right. We have all the answers. Yes, we have the answers right here.
Yeah?
Yeah, it is. Sausage is nice when you cook it right. Right?
Yep.
When you cook it right. Yes. That's the answer. What's the other one?
I'm putting it in the comment.
Okay, she's putting it in the comment because apparently you guys not seeing it on the board. So we're going to have to figure out the next time we do the phrase that pays, we're going to have to set it up where you guys can see all the letters and everything because apparently it doesn't work off of the
Not the
cartridge.
white paper.
Yeah, not off the white paper. So, but I said it's our first time doing this. And of course, we have to perfect it. But we're working with it. Yes, let's go. All right. You're almost done?
Almost done.
Almost done. Almost done. Who's Nola wanting to come on our live? Somebody by the name of Nola want to join our live. We don't take people on our live.
Okay, let's see if you guys can get it.
All right, we just sent it up in the comments. All right, if you look at it, it's GNAGULHILAYWTNAADCA. Right?
Yep.
That's it. That should be easy. That one here should be easy. It's 1, 2, 3.
Mirror
Oh,
ring.
somebody a call. Locks. I saw them first. Hello?
Hello?
Yes. You got the answer?
Hello?
Hello? I'm hearing you.
Laughing all the way to Canada.
Laughing all the way to Canada. That is correct. That is correct. Who am I speaking to?
Ophelia.
Ophelia. And Ophelia, can you text us your name and your phone service? All right.
All right.
Thank you so
Congratulations.
much. Congratulations.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. The phrase that pays. You so much people are called. Then the one that did eat, the one that easy.
Yeah, that
Hello?
one is easier.
Hello? Hi. You're late again.
Laughing all the way to Canada.
Yes, laughing all the way to Canada. Yes, somebody already got it though.
I realize.
All right. Hello, una fun. You guys are so fun. Hello? Hello? Yes. You got the phrase?
Yes.
What is it?
Laughing all the way to Canada.
Yes, somebody already got it though, Queen. Yeah.
Well, good job.
Good job. Then beat you to it. All right. Hello? All right, somebody kept calling and hanging up. Yes,
You guys
guys.
are calling the wrong number.
We just wanted to test this game out
It was a
tonight.
test.
Yeah, we just wanted to test it and see how best it will work. Now we know we have to do some tweaking. A better way of having you guys see all the letters without having to type it in the comment and without having to use them cartridge paper here, right?
Right.
Okay? But it was fun. It was fun. Yes. So we're going to come back with it, but we're going to perfect it. Yeah?
Of course.
We're going to perfect it. We just wanted to try something different, and we tried it out. Now, guys, like I said, let me remind you, tonight is the last night to be on our guest list if you want to meet up with us in Canada. All right? The last night to be on the guest list. Whenever they come out here with any topic, we just come out here for try that little game, right? And we come out here for give away those 2 tickets to the event in Canada. Now, if you don't want to chat about something, you don't know say parrot living off my throat. You understand? You don't know that. Yeah. Parrot down in there. You understand? And it won't shut up. So, if you don't want to chat about something, point me in the direction. Chocolate, not a problem. No problem for that. Yeah. But, if you don't have nothing to chat about, I not got too chatty and I couldn't get me in no trouble out here. You understand? Because you know my mouth not good. You don't know it not good. Yes.
Well, I'm still a call.
Oh, there's still a call? Alright, let's see what I'm a call for now. You never know. Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Hello.
Hi, who am I speaking to?
You're speaking to Deidre. How are you?
I'm good,
Hi,
DJ.
how
How are you?
I'm good.
You gotta turn us off in the background.
That's what I realized, that the live is still going, so I decided to come in the living room instead. How are you queens doing?
We're doing
great.
How are you? So, were you calling with the phrase or are you calling for something else?
I was just calling to say hello to you guys. I love you guys so much.
Oh, we
thank
love you
you.
back, Queen, and thank you
Thank
so
you for
much.
calling. Thank you for reaching out.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
If this year was the year and I'm going to travel to Canada, I'll definitely be at the award show. But
I know. But how about when we come to Jamaica, we'll meet, you'll see us, all right?
certain milk girls.
All right,
All right.
Queen, all right. We'll let you know, all right?
All right, take care.
Hello? Hello?
Hello, good night.
Good night, Chocolate.
Good night. How you doing, Queen?
Doing good. This is Natalie. I just need to be on the guest list.
You calling to be on our guest list, Natalie. Awesome. Natalie, Natalie, go ahead and just text me your first name, Natalie, and your number, because I'm getting another call and I can't see your number.
Okay.
And I'll add you to my guest list, and we'll reach out to you to let you know the details, okay?
Okay, no problem.
All right,
All right,
Queen, we're
Queen.
looking forward to meet you.
Okay.
Hello, good night. All right, guys, I have some stuff that I want to give away also. I don't know when I can get them together. I'm not going to make any promises. Maybe after we get back from Canada. For my curvy ladies, I have new jumpers that I want to bless somebody with. Other stuff. You understand? Because I remember us doing the baby stuff. We're going to ship baby stuff. And we have some other stuff that we want to send for adults. And if we don't want to exclude anyone. It doesn't just, me know me talk away there. Like everything me own in my life of Jamaica. You understand? Everything me I give away. But it's not exclusive to Jamaica. It just happened to be that way. Yes? So we're going to present them. I don't know if I'll have the time to get them together before our trip to Canada. But I don't give away anything that is used. Everything we give away is brand new. All right? And we'll show you the tag and the packaging and everything. You know what I'm saying? But not nobody will give away anything we use. I'm just saying on this platform, I don't want anybody to give me anything used. So I don't give anybody anything used. Yeah? So that's how me do it. You understand me? If it's somebody who know us and asks us something where we have a use, that's different. But we don't offer anything that's used. Yeah? Big up.
Correct.
Yeah. Hello?
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 Hello.
Hi.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm doing very well myself.
Okay.
Calling for the phrase?
The freeze gone left you again. Then somebody get it. Yeah, gone left you again. Sorry, and that's the end of it because we'll
We'll do it again.
We're just testing it out.
Yeah.
This is not usually our credit nights. We do credits on Saturday and Sunday nights. All right. So
Yeah, man.
we'll be back on. All right. Thank you so much for participating and trying. All right.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
You're
All right,
welcome.
King.
Hello? Them hang up. Yes. So, laughing all the way to Canada. Yeah, man. So, I'm going to bring out, I'm not making any promises that it'll happen before we got an award because I have to get the stuff together.
We have to
I just
gather it
bumped,
together.
yeah. It's just happened that I bump into a few things and that's how I remember today. But I know I have a lot more, so I have to get them together and bless somebody out there. Yes? And them are nice stuff. So, you don't want to miss it. Trust me, you not go forgive yourself. Hello?
Good night, Queen.
Good night.
Night. How are you?
We're
We're
good.
good.
How you doing?
I am blessed. It's awesome. I'm just calling to tell you how much I really appreciate you guys. You know, you guys remind me of me and my best friend. We are friends for over 30 years.
Oh,
She's
wow.
living in Coast and I'm living in Jamaica and we are still friends.
That
That's
is
beautiful.
That is beautiful.
You, Chocolate and Vanilla, are doing an awesome job. I really love you guys and I appreciate you guys so much.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much,
Thank
Queen.
you, Queen.
We will never change. So thank you so much for that.
Yes.
Yes, we are who
God
we
bless
are.
you.
Yes. Thank
Yes,
you.
God
That's
bless
so.
you. Love you.
Love
you
you
too,
too,
Queen.
Queen. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Oh, that is beautiful.
That's
That
sweet.
is so nice. So many times we don't take the time out to tell people how much we appreciate them. And I was actually thinking about that today. And it's because I saw a video that the Planka Boss did giving thanks to everybody that encourages her, supports her, cheer for her and stuff like that. And I said that is really nice because sometimes, you know, we don't take the time out to tell people or persons who have made an impact in our life. It's not necessary that somebody have to give you something. It could be a word of encouragement. It's just somebody that believes in you. And we don't take the time out to reflect on how fortunate we are, you know, in those areas. We always want, most of the time you hear people talk about how someone touches their lives is when the person pass away and it's too late because they can't hear you
Right.
at that time. Why not give people their flowers while they're alive? You know what I mean? It's not even that you have to buy a person a gift to say, oh, you have done this for me. Sometimes it's just the word and being sincere about it. Because no matter what, someone has helped you along the way in
Absolutely.
life. Someone, yes, at some point, someone did something for you. You understand? Nobody's an island. No one stand alone. Even if it's somebody that give you a job. Even if it's somebody that when you have a big bag of grocery I carry, open up the door for you to put it, or the trunk to put your grocery. It's the little things. It doesn't have to be major
Held the
things.
door for
Maybe
you.
you have a back pain and somebody just at that moment, God saw that you needed some assistance. I'm just using those as example, not necessarily that's the exact situation. You know what I'm saying? But me want to take the time out because of this call that just came in triggers me to tell, and I said it before, it's not the first time, I'm always telling you guys how appreciative we are because, you know, of you guys supporting us, coming on and watching us. Yes. I want to say thank you to my husband who has been the rock in our relationship, believes in me, always supporting me. There's nothing he wouldn't do to encourage whatever goals that I have going after. My brother Mark, I have spoken about him before. He has, I don't have words to tell you how supportive my brother has been in my
Absolutely.
life. Because my father passed away when I was 16 years old. He's been like a father to me. My sister Marie, she was just on here tonight. watching. She is, when my mom left Jamaica when I was 12 years old, she was the one who basically raised me, and she has instilled a lot of values in me and a lot of teachings that I took with me throughout that I'm still leaning on throughout my life. She's a go-getter. She's a businesswoman, and she is, other than my mother, she's the woman that that I look up to. She's so business-minded. She's so ambitious. Anything she want, she go after it and she get it. You understand? And she's strong. She's a strong person. So I just want to tell her, Marie, and my brother Mark tonight that I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for always believing in me. Love me without condition, no judgment there. You understand? I mean, I have amazing family. A lot of people in my family that supports and love me. But I'm just talking about, two of the special people that invest a lot of time and stuff in me. Yes, and I'm not even going to start with Vanilla because it's not going to end. You understand? Yes, but thank you, Vanilla, for being an awesome friend to me, always so supportive. She's not the kind of friend that ever jealous of me. Even when Vanilla don't have the stuff that I have, it don't make a difference. It's like she owns it too. You understand? And vice versa. Yeah? I can never tell you a time that Vanilla ever jealous of me for anything. Ever. Never. It never happened.
I think
never
that's when we first meet you.
Other than the relationship with me and me.
With you and your
I'm
niece.
talking about stuff.
Otherwise than that,
Stuff.
no.
I'm talking about
No.
stuff. You know, you don't have some friend, and if
But
that friend
I get to know you.
you know, you have some friends, and when you excel in a life, or they might not have a man and you have a man, and it become a problem. Not Vanilla. No. Me excel should want give me more knowledge or tell me something to make me get there faster. That's it. I mean, now sit down here and lie to you. True. Me wish everybody had a friendship like Vanilla and I have.
Absolutely.
And if you have one, hold on to it. Don't let go of it.
Cherish it.
Cherish it. Because in this day and age, and the more I'm on social media, the more I realize how fortunate I am. Yes? The more I realize how fortunate I am. Loyalty, me pass that the test. Yeah? And Vanilla is not the only friend that I have like that. Yes, I have another friend. Her name's Marlene. Yes, she's in Jamaica. Big up yourself, Marlene, if you're watching tonight. When it comes down to loyalty and friends that are like sisters who want to see you win, even if they're losing, they don't care. They just want, and that's the kind of person I am too. Yeah, even if me now win, me want to see you win. Yeah. Me don't know how I feel to sit down and bad mind somebody because them are excel. Because me personally, me hate to see people in poverty. Me hate to see a child with dirty. And know say a poverty cause it.
Or hungry.
Yeah, or hungry.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the type of person me is. Me hate to see homeless people. Yes? Me hate to see it. Like I will stop at the gas station and somebody homeless, me wish me could have just, take them out of that situation as some stay. Yes. So, so in all things you have to give thanks. And it all goes with good things happen for people who have good heart. Yeah. Let me tell you. Because one time I used to think, say, nothing not going to happen to me because I'm too kind. Me feel like say me not gonna make it in a life because I'm just too damn kind. Because of how me feel about people and caring for people. And anything people beg me just is this kind person. Me feel like me don't make it because I'm just so damn kind. Yeah, and get heartbroken over and over. But let me tell you, yeah, God see you. You see when God see your heart and God know when you're genuine and your intentions are real and you do it out of love. him not make you fall.
No.
Him not gonna make you fall. Me there have to testify to you tonight. Say him not gonna make you fall. Cause enough time he used to say, why me can't just be a evil person? Because it seemed like evil people always are prosper.
True.
Yeah? Why me can't be a person just say no? Me have it and me not gonna help you. You know? That come from heartbreak and people being ungrateful and you find out that people use you. You feel that way there. Yeah? May I tell you the honest truth? Me used to feel that way there. Me said, man, why me couldn't be like some other type of person? We're just like, you know? No. They have it and just make you fall upon your face
And no matter how-
and not care what happened to you.
Yes, and
Me
no
used to
matter
sit
how
down
difficult the
and think that way.
situation, no matter how difficult the situation is, or how much pain that person's in, they don't care.
Look how much time me used to say that to you. Remember
Yeah,
me
and we used to
say that?
feel the same way too.
Yeah, me used to say that to you
I'm
all
like,
the
man,
time.
I need to be one of those mean people.
Yeah.
But I can't.
Yeah, me
I
used,
can't.
yeah,
I
me
can't
used to
help
say
it.
that.
I can't
Yeah,
help
and
it.
my husband used to say to me, you know what him said to me? Him said, don't ask to be different because that's exactly how God made you. This is the person God wanted you to be.
Yeah.
Appreciate the person that you are. Don't change for anyone. That's even though you might get hurt because you do things from the goodness of your heart, and then some people, you know what I mean, take advantage of it. Don't stop. Because I know if you stop, you're going to be miserable. Just know what, just pull back. You understand?
And
just pull
sometimes-
back and analyze people first before you jump.
And I have a hard time doing that. I always want to give. I'll put everybody before myself. I always put myself last.
True.
I always put myself last.
Yeah, but it doesn't make you fall into poverty, and it doesn't take away anything from your life. You understand? It's just that when you're hurt, when people turn around and hurt you, because you know what I'm saying. But you learn from those. I learned from those situations.
You do.
Not to be so givey as much as I used to. You know what I mean? I mean, I have to find out to the person, you know, I know the people them that I'm dealing with. And that's how we ended up getting scammed too, from a charity in Jamaica.
True.
Because we were just so dying to find a charity, and we just jumped on the first one that present itself to us without even researching. We're just thinking, oh my God, we're going to feed so many people, and we ship barrel and send money, and then they turn around and rob us. You understand? So, but we learned from that.
We did.
We learned from that.
We did.
You understand? So, but I don't know how me end up in that part of conversation, but I'm just but just back to what I was saying. In all things, make sure you're grateful and thank and tell people that you appreciate them. People that play, you know, help you along the way, who cheer for you, yes, and who was been there for you. Don't be ungrateful.
Give them their roses while they're still here.
Yeah.
Give them their roses while they're still here, because, you know, here today, gone tomorrow. You never know.
You never know. You burn a bridge and you never know. So many times, because a lot of them people will end up hurting me, have to turn around and find that bridge and want to cross back over. You understand? I wish they could have. They've told me, want to cross back over. You understand? Want to cross back over. So be careful, you know, be careful how you treat people, especially people who are kind to you and people who genuinely want to see you win and who genuinely support you. Don't wait till you arrive at your destination, then you turn around and look down on those people, or, you know, not even recognize them.
Don't forget where you're coming from.
Don't forget where you're coming from.
Yeah.
Yeah. Me then come out here for all them chatty, you know, and the woman will call me, blame me upon her. As she. Yes. As she, yes. So, big up on yourself. It was a pleasure being out here tonight with you guys. And again, we apologize for Sunday night because we got some text messages of supporters wanting to know where we are. But we're not gonna, like we said, if we don't show up, just know it's because we're busy, we're out and about, and things are the place open up, bus wide open, and believe me, you see when COVID did start, people, when at the beginning of COVID, let me take this call. Hello, good night. Good night.
Hello, good night, Chocolate.
Good
Hello,
night.
good night.
Who am I speaking to?
You're speaking with Glacia.
Glacia. How you doing tonight, Glacia?
Glacia. I'm good, my darling. And you queens?
We're
We're
doing
good.
well.
We're good.
So inspirational.
Oh, thank
I
you.
love you guys. I love you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Queen.
you.
Auntie Donna, Chris, and you guys, you motivate me a lot.
Thank you
Aw,
so
thank
much.
you.
Thank you for that. Thank you. We appreciate you too.
So much, you guys motivate me. And last week, Vanilla was talking so highly about, she speaks so highly about you.
Yes,
That's my
I heard
sister.
it. Thank you, Vanilla. I told her thanks, by the way,
She
but
did.
I just didn't come on live.
She
and
did.
say
She
it.
told me thank you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you, Queen. We appreciate you, and thank you for calling.
Thank you.
and
Thank you
let
for
us
your
know.
support.
Yes, love you so much. I wish I could come to Canada, but whenever you guys come to
Jamaica.
I have to see
And
you
it's
guys.
not far from now, all right? It's
Absolutely.
just keep in mind it's not far from now.
Oh,
All right?
good.
All right, darling. Yes.
All right. Take care, Queen.
Take care, all right?
You love you.
Love
All right, love you too.
Love you too.
You.
Love you
Bye-bye.
too. How did I say? Me not remember. Me not remember. Me chat too much. Me not remember. How did I say? Prior to when COVID did just come in, guys, the height of COVID, and you know when everywhere shut down, and you have to stay, you have to social distance, and you're afraid of people. Remember that?
Yeah.
People, me there, you know, and you know, say we grew up at Jamaica, and you know we love out a door. You know, so when you just come a foreign and to be in our house was a problem to us, cause we used to being outside. And me there, and as much as you know, we're there inside more than when we live at Jamaica. The fact that me couldn't just go to door and go places as me feel like me have a piece of panic attack. Like me feel like me in a prison. And in the height of the pandemic, me said to Mike, say, listen, them time there, you have to have your mask to go to the airport, you have to take your COVID test and all of that stuff, right? Me book a flight and end up at Jamaica. Yes. When me go resort, when me come out of Montego Bay Airport, it look like the rapture came and take away everybody. Yes, when we go on the flight, you could have run up, you could have taken any seat you want in my plane. It was empty. Empty. You could have count the amount of people that was on the flight. Yeah. And me make up my mind, say, if me go dead, wanna send me home, let me dead. As I start think. Yes, at least them will rock out a good party, you know, man. For me, you know. That's all me ask, you know. Me no want nobody drop on ball. Make it a party. Like, me want party. You know what I mean? Me want dance. Yes. Get some entertainment, then come perform. Me no want nobody ball. Me want on just, you understand? So me make sure good on there. You understand? And say, Mike, me a go. Anything happen, party. Me tell her Vanilla, ask Vanilla. Me say don't make nobody wear no black.
She tell me,
Tell her me call her.
Yo, she started going into details, like if anything was to happen to her, she want this with her funeral, that with her funeral. Say, I don't want to have this conversation with you. She said, we need to have this conversation. I said, no, man. We can't do it. We can't.
What the color? Me
imagine.
tell you, white and gold. Champagne.
Yep.
Yeah, champagne and gold. And I want party. I want party.
She don't want nobody to
funeral.
cry.
Yeah, I don't
she
want no
wants
funeral.
everybody to have like a celebration of life. Like party, no crying, just
Alright,
no big long conversation, no big long funeral service, nothing like that.
You can't sit. Me love gospel, so make one day I just pure gospel music, just people are sing different. If I just sing gospel music, you not have to do nothing fancy up in a church. Just sing. Cause you know me love sing me gospel. Just sing. One day I just sing. You know, vibes the song. Me no want no thing there.
You don't want no funeral.
No, me no want. Me know a song where me gonna tell them me no want. Me no want. Oh, what a sunrise it's going to be. Me no want that. You understand? Me no want that. Me want ride out the storm, stuff like that. Ride out the storm. You understand? And the goodness of God. Them type of song that I want. And you're next in line for your blessing. You see all the one them I want everybody march round it tomb when that I play. You farmer line man, you're next in line. You understand? I want big sound to play or somebody are singing, vibes. People who can sing to. You understand? You hear me tell her everything. Yeah. Party. Have a dinner. Me no want not the west side. Not the west side. Are this a up here?
She said she'll come up from Hartway.
Come back for no. Huh?
She said she'll come Hartway.
You not ever hear about Shirley Duppy? You never have nothing for me. Nothing for me if you not give me what me want. Yes. Nothing for me. Yeah. Yeah, Shirley Duppy not gonna have nothing for me. Because if them bring me in on a sad nothing, like church and people wear black and say, but that's how walk and tear off everybody frock. If you're in a black, tear it off. Tear it off. No black, tear it off. Yes, I want sexy dressing. You understand? Gowns and short dresses and showing the legs and stuff. You know what I mean? Like when I got a party. Yes, party. Yes. Else. They like a broke loose.
She said she'll come for you.
Come back for everybody. Yeah. Uno in our house, uno just hear music turn on. Because remember, uno never turn on the big sound for me. So me come in our house, turn on a stereo, all of that will just go on. Uno go hear your next in line for your blessing, I play, and uno never did turn it on. So me have to deal with it now. Yes.
She said she'll go home with for not doing what she wants. Yeah?
For not doing. But there, Elisa, everything. Lay it out. Yeah. Lay it out. Yes. Nothing boring. Me not do boring. Me not do boring. So, me are telling people them, we'll keep your word. Please, not make it boring. Because if it's boring, we're not going to look for chocolate and can't find her. As some state anywhere me go. If it's boring, me I go slide out. Go and make a bathroom and in a hotel. So if you not look for me, if it's boring, you not look for me, you know we find me at bar. Yeah. Me a tell her. Yes, sir. Me just a telling her. Yeah. Yes. We just have share certain things with honor. We are besties over here.
That's right.
Yes. We are besties. We are besties over here. Me love honor, guys. And there's nothing you guys can do about it. Honor will see we back.
Yeah.
Because me not go want them feel away. Me not go at the bar at the hotel. Got too much people. I go dinner. I go probably spot me. So we will take off when we drive, you know. I'm gonna find something festive. Go with me. Me supporters them. Go with me. Oh, wink, wink. We're gonna make up one symbol, one sign. We're going to do one certain sign that if it's boring, we do a sign I don't know if it meet me. You know what I mean? I don't know if it meet me.
Outside.
Meet me outside. Yes! Yes! We have an understanding. Our understanding. Yes. Meet me a vanilla. We're going to pick a spot. Just in case. Just in case. We not hope for that. Just in case. You have to have backup plan. You understand? We always have a backup plan.
Always have a backup plan.
We always
have a backup plan for the backup
for the
plan.
backup plan. You understand? But, you know what I mean? It's not going to be hot. It's not going to be off the chain. I don't know that. Yes? May I feel some fun with you now. Bless up on yourself here. And peace out. We'll be back over the weekend.
Over the weekend.
Over the weekend we'll come. Either Saturday or Sunday.
Yeah.
Over the weekend. You understand? Alright. Love you know. Nothing you can do about it. Yeah? Tonight was fun. I had fun with it. I always have fun with you now.
Yes.
Me now see the comment them people. And not seeing the comment. You know from when me now see comment? Long time now me now see comment. Just to make you know me need to try ignore you. But a long time now is stuck. And me now see no comments. Yes. A long time now me now see. Me have to go back and read no comments. Yeah. A long time now me now see.
But
me see.
push up your mouth and wink.
Push up your mouth and wink. Other sign them if you do Juliet. Or no give you one sign. No give you one sign.
And nod with head.
Alright. Scratch your eyebrow. We have to keep it classy, you know, because you know we're classy people. We can't just Juliet, what kind of style that you want? We're going to people them classy place go do. Push up your mouth. Yeah, that's what and wink. What kind of thing that? When we dress up in our gown, we push up your mouth and wink. No! We have to do one classy one, like. Every time we scratch. Why? Right? When you have teeth in a domino game, when me and you used to teeth, how what we used to do? When we play partner.
We would point whichever direction.
We scratch our eyebrow. When time I want vanilla to play, down at the left or the which hand is right. When we want vanilla to play down at right, the crack. Yeah, me go my eyebrow left for her. Yeah.
Or she just scratch that side of her head.
On a stop going like on a teeth in the domino game too. Like how we alone. On a stop it.
The same thing.
Yeah, on a stop it. You just stop it. Yeah, it freeze again. And I go like say, are we alone teeth in a domino game? Lord Jesus, we can't go play domino now. With nobody.
You go blow it, man.
All when we go to Chicago, they not go want we for partner up
no.
More. The family now want me and your partner. Jesus Christ, so don't see what I make we do.
You're spoiling.
I don't see what I make we do. I don't see what I make we do. Jesus now. Nobody in my family now go want we partner up now.
At all.
At all. Me need that
family, friends, nobody.
We have to find one new move.
Yeah, we'll work.
We just find a new move. Then they still not gonna make we do it.
No.
Because somebody probably I gotta tell them.
Why you keep touching your shoulder and rubbing your shoulder?
Yeah. But I decide that. You hear? My supporters. Right, bro. Right on. Right, bro. We crack so. So when we walk by and go so. You know. I love you. Good night, people. Have a good night. You hear? Love you.
Love you guys. Take care. Don't forget.
Don't forget.
All right. Bye-bye.